all been told that AI is just a co-pilot, a tool to make you faster, a helper. Well, behind closed doors in Silicon Valley, the narrative just changed. Investors aren't talking about productivity anymore. They're talking about replacement. And they've circled a specific year on the calendar, 2026. If you think your desk job is safe because it requires logic, you're about to see the cold, hard data that says otherwise. Let's get into the uncomfortable truth. A recent MIT study just dropped a bombshell. Nearly 12 out of jobs could already be fully automated. But that was just the warm-up. Right now, venture capitalists, the people who actually fund the future, are predicting a massive shift in corporate budgets. They aren't just adding AI to the workflow. They are literally moving money from the human labor bucket into the AI software bucket. Eric Bond from Hustle Fund put it bluntly, something big is coming in 2026. And it's not just about repetitive tasks like data entry. We're talking about roles involving complex logic, roles you thought required a human brain, the scapegoat theory. But here's where it gets dark. Antonia Dean from Black Operator Ventures pointed out something most people are missing. Even if a company isn't ready for AI, they're going to use it as a scapegoat. Picture this. A CEO messes up, the company loses money, and they need to cut costs. Instead of admitting they failed, they'll fire 1,000 people and tell the stock market, we're just becoming an AI-first company. It's the perfect excuse to mask bad management with technological progress. AI isn't just coming for your job, it's becoming the ultimate corporate cover-up, the agent revolution. By 2020, we're moving past chatbots. Jason Mendel from Battery Ventures says 2026 will be the year of the agents. We aren't talking about software you use, we're talking about software that acts. These agents won't help you write an email. They will be the customer service rep, the accountant, and the junior analyst. The human labor displacement value proposition. That's the fancy term investors are using. In plain English, it means getting the job done without the person. Now, AI companies will tell you this is about freeing you up for deep work. But let's be real. If the budget for your salary is being redirected to a server in a data center, there is no deep work left for you to do. 2026 is closer than it looks. Are you leveling up or are you waiting for the pink slip? I want to hear from you in the comments. Do you think your industry is ready for this? Or are we all just being gaslit by Silicon Valley? Hit subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. You're going to need it.